Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I wanted to just create this short video in regards to the kite streamers that we sell on Worship with Flags. So I get a couple of questions, so I wanted to do this short video. We make two different kite streamers out of the lame. You have the large size and the jumbo. The large size is shipped on the dowel rod. However, the jumbo kite streamer is not. And the reason for that is because of the size of the kite streamer, the dowel has to be removed for shipping purposes. Once you receive the jumbo kite streamer, you simply take the eyelet off of the stick, put it on a small ring, and you never have to take it off again. It's only removed to be able to fit inside the shipping box. I'm going to demonstrate today how to roll and store your kite streamers so they can have longevity, less wear and tear, and you can put them in your flag bag just as if they were a flag or any other instrument. All right, so let's go on to the jumbo first. Okay, so for the jumbo streamer, again, the kite streamer for both large and jumbo are both 12 feet in length. However, the jumbo flag is 36 inches and the boxes is about 37. So we're unable to ship with the dowel connected. So when you receive it, you'll see this big ring connected directly to the kite streamer, and then you'll see a small ring attached. All you're going to do is take the eyelet that's on the wood rod. You're going to take it just like you will put a set of keys on, and you will put it onto the ring. And just that simple is on. Once you attach it, you do not need to remove it again. That's only for shipping purposes. This way you don't have to worry about losing your stick or something happening to it. In order to roll it, what I suggest is start from the top, just like you would be rolling a flag. Take your tip and begin to roll. And as you roll, push the stick in so that it becomes the size of the kite. So back here you have another rod. So once you roll it, you'll have this lined up. You keep rolling. You can always push and tug, but you just roll all the way until you get to the bottom. I just like to smooth it out. That keeps less wrinkles instead of it bunching up. Keep rolling. And I just like to straighten out. Roll it almost there. All the way to the end. It gets to get a little bit uneven. Just tug it a little bit to even it back out. It's a lot of fabric. Remember, it's 12 feet long. We are almost at the end. Here we go. So when you finish rolling it, you see how this is why we're unable to ship it on it. So you see if the length of the streamer from from the front to the end is 36 inches, we have this additional, so it won't allow it to fit into the box, which is why it's not attached when you receive it. But once you roll it up, leave the wood dowel on. It actually helps you when you roll it, and it can stick into your flag bag just like your set of flags. Now let's review the large as well. Now for the large, same thing. This comes attached already, so you roll it the same way. The large is a little bit easier because once you start rolling from the tip and roll up, you have that short piece of rod back here. You turn it, and then what I like to do is once I get a good amount on here, I just roll, and it's so much quicker. You just roll it just like that, and then it goes onto the rod. It's harder to roll it this way with the jumbo, but the large, just keep twisting the wood dowel. And just like that, it's done. And this is your large. You have your wood dowel, same thing. You can stick it in your bag, whichever way you prefer, into your flag bag, and it fits perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I pray that this short clip was helpful for how to attach your wood dowel as well as roll and store your kite streamers. I pray that these kite streamers have blessed you, your ministry, and those who are able to see it. If you haven't grabbed one, if you do have additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. If this video was helpful, although it was simple, if it was helpful, please drop that in the comments as well, because I would love to know. So thank you again for your support with Worship with Flags. Grab your kite streamers, especially for Resurrection Sunday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.